guys. Uh, we're starting a new chapter today. We're switching gears quite a bit, and we're going to be working with ratios and rates. Now, I gave you an Excel assignment yesterday that should have jogged your memory with some things that we did last year with ratios. If it did not, that is totally okay. I kind of just wanted to gauge the class and see how much you remembered or could figure out. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about ratios. Okay, now basically ratios, that's a way to compare two things with division. So say you are on a basketball team and you have a game that night, and say you're a pretty good team and you're playing a team that's known not to be as good as you. Maybe your friend might say that it's 2-1 odds that you win. Okay, so you might see that expressed in writing as 2/1 or 2/1, or you'll see 2 with a colon and a 1, right? And that's just three. These are all the same ratio. It's just three different ways to write it. Okay. So 2-1 odds that you win, or you could say, or we could do the opposite. Say you're not a very good team. We could say 2-1 odds that you lose. All right. Clear this out of here. Now, the next thing we have are rates. Okay. And a rate is a type of ratio, but it's where you're going to compare two things with different units. Let me give you an example. So you're driving in your car and you go 60 miles in 2 hours. Okay, so this is a rate. You went 60 miles in 2 hours. You're comparing two things with different units. Okay, the one unit's miles and the other unit's hours. All right. The thing is, and again, this could be written like this too. Okay. Or it could be written with a 2 in it. We have unit rates. Okay, so this is just another type of rate, a unit rate. That's when you compare, you have a rate, but the denominator, which is the thing on the bottom, is 1. So if we went 60 miles in 2 hours, our unit rate would be 30 miles in 1 hour, or better known as 30 miles per hour. Okay, I'm sure you guys have heard that term before. How did we get from here to here? Well, we knew we had to make this bottom number 1. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, right? So 60 divided by 2 is 30. So those are the three basic things you need to be aware of: ratios, rates, and unit rates. I'm going to type those into our agenda post for today so you guys can see those definitions. And our second quick video is going to break down an example problem for you.